So we're back with the running streak. Today is day 5,161 days in a row. And we're at the beach again, Avon by the Sea. Today I decided to do my regular run where I started Bradley Beach. Run through Avon, Belmar, into Spring Lake, turn around and come back. Had a good pace going. And on the way back, I see the drawbridge coming down. Ding, 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 ding. And I'm about 200 meters away. So I start hauling ass, trying to get to the bridge before it goes up, because if I get stuck on the wrong side, I'll lose like 10 minutes. So I'm hauling ass, and I finally make it, and I make it over before the gates come down and the guy comes out and stops you from crossing. But it really wiped me out, because I get to the other side and I'm really hurting. So I guess when they say the air quality is bad, that's what they mean, because I just did not feel good for the rest of the run. That was about 30 minutes in, and so for the last 10 minutes it was a struggle. So it's I guess it's in the 90s and poor air quality. This is the last day of my week. I run my weeks Monday through Sunday, not Sunday through Saturday. And this is going to be one of I think the longest mileage week I've had in like a year. At 36 miles in this week. I've been hurt most of last year, and I've been slowly bringing the mileage up and bringing the pace down. So Monday was 7 miles under 8-minute pace, which was much improvement. Today another 5 miles. So I'm starting to recover from that injury from last year. Slowly get back to where I was 2 years ago. So I go after my run, and I go to get my bacon sandwich, as I always do. And last time I went, there was two, you put your order in, and then they give you your name, and then they call your name, and you get your food. But last time there was 2 Daves. So I said, this time I'm going to give an unusual name so it doesn't get mixed up with anybody else. So I did that, and I put in my order for my bacon sandwich. And I'm waiting. And then this Yenta comes by, and she goes to the coffee bar to get her coffee fixings. And she's putting her coffee together, and she goes, Carol, what's simple syrup? Carol? Now, Carol never responded, so we never did find out what simple syrup is. But it's this bottle of it sitting over there by the coffee bar. So anyway, the girl goes, bacon sandwich for Eddie. And I go, right here, that's me. So I got my bacon sandwich, and now I'm sitting on the beach, and now I'm going to go swimming.